Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to follow topics on X. So X is priorly known as Twitter. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, you need to simply tap on the X app. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply get logged in into your account, and once you have got logged in into your account, all you gotta do is simply navigate to your profile. So once you have navigated to your profile, all you gotta do is simply go on home timeline. So now if you're gonna go in the search bar and type in any of the going topics, like I'm searching something, so here is all the top topics. So all you gotta do is simply tap on that particular three dot line right besides that particular topic, and you need to simply follow them. So if you're gonna follow them, you can find like simple follow button right like this. So if you're gonna tap on follow, then you'll be following that particular person and the topic you're interested in. So this is how you can follow different kind of topics on X. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.